video on how to make these super cute gnomes.
Here's the supplies that you need. We used things that we had around the house, so it doesn't have to be exactly everything on this list. For the size of the chicken wire, we measured 1/3 of the height of the tree and about halfway around.
Next, start cutting lots of strips from garbage bags, and we used about 5 for each gnome.
Once we had lots of strips, we just started tying them on to the mesh. We made sure to go all the way across the first row, and then after that, we just kind of tied them on, not in any particular pattern. And I've tied them on like a tutu if you've ever made one, just a simple knot halfway.
Lots of helpers will make this project go a lot faster.
This is the mesh ribbon we used for the edge of the hat and the puff on the top of the hat. Any mesh ribbon will work. It does help to keep the chicken wire standing still if you wrap it around a bucket or a round basket that you have around.
Oh, you gotta be long way too. So why don't you start your video over?
Keep tying strips of garbage bag until the beard reaches the ground.
To make the ribbon poof for the top of the hat, I just keep layering loops of this ribbon until I have about 7 or 9 loops, and then just wire it together and fluff. For the noses for the gnomes, we just used extra lids that we had from like take and toss containers and just mixed brown and white paint to give kind of a skin color.
To make the edge of the hat, attach ribbon to the top of the chicken wire.
To make the beard look a little more solid, we did attach one garbage bag to the inside of the wire mesh as well.
We watched Christmas movies while we made these. It took a few hours to make all 3, and Gertie's ready for bed.
We attached the noses with some wire, and then they were ready to put on the trees outside. We just wrapped them around each tree and then tied them on using some twine that we had in the house. And then the tree toppers, I used the extra wire from the bottom and wrapped it around the top of the tree.
We think they turned out super cute.